Yo, what's up everybody? We're about to blow your minds with some crazy life hacks. You know those dryer sheets you've got stashed away with your laundry detergent? Yeah, well, get ready to see them in a whole new light. We're talking 10 insane ways to use dryer sheets that you won't believe. Most people think dryer sheets are just for making your clothes smell fresh out of the dryer. And hey, they're great for that. But they're seriously so much more. We're talking next-level cleaning, pest control, deodorizing, and stuff you'd never even imagine. Get ready to ditch those expensive cleaning products and unleash the power of the mighty dryer sheet. We're going to show you how to save money, simplify your life, and maybe even have a little fun along the way. Let's do this. First up, let's talk about stinky shoes. You know that feeling when you take off your shoes after a long day and it's like bam, the whole room is hit with a wall of foot odor? Yeah, not cool, but don't worry, dryer sheets to the rescue. Here's the deal. Dryer sheets are like little odor-eating ninjas. They're packed with these amazing scent molecules that neutralize bad smells instead of just masking them. So grab a couple of dryer sheets, stuff them inside your shoes, and let them work their magic overnight. Trust me, when you slip those shoes back on in the morning, it'll be like stepping into a fresh meadow. No more stinky shoe syndrome. And the best part, this works for sneakers, boots, sandals, you name it. So ditch those expensive shoe sprays and give this a try. Your nose and your wallet will thank you. Okay, pet owners, this one's for you. We all love our furry friends, but let's be real, their shedding can be a real pain. Vacuuming every day, lint rollers that lose their stickiness after one use, forget about it. Dryer sheets are about to become your secret weapon against pet hair. The static cling that makes dryer sheets so great for laundry also works wonders on pet hair. Just grab a dryer sheet and rub it over your furniture, clothes, or even your car upholstery. Watch in amazement as the dryer sheet magically picks up every last bit of fur. No more embarrassing fur-covered clothes. You can thank me later. Alright, we've all been there. You get distracted for a minute and bam! Your dinner is now a burnt offering to the kitchen gods. But don't freak out just yet. Before you reach for the steel wool and spend hours scrubbing, grab a dryer sheet. I know, it sounds crazy, but trust me on this one. Fill your burnt pot or pan with hot water and toss in a dryer sheet. Let it soak for about an hour or even overnight for really stubborn messes. The magic ingredients in the dryer sheet will loosen that burnt-on food, making it a breeze to clean up. You'll be amazed at how easily it comes off. Chapter 4. Bug off with dryer sheets. Next up, we're talking pest control. That's right, dryer sheets aren't just for laundry and cleaning, they're also surprisingly effective at keeping those pesky insects at bay. See, many insects like mosquitoes and flies can't stand the scent of dryer sheets. It's like their own personal kryptonite. So, if you're spending time outdoors, tuck a dryer sheet in your pocket or hat for an extra layer of bug protection. You can even rub dryer sheets on your skin for a bug-repelling force field. No more harsh chemicals or smelly sprays, just fresh, clean, bug-free bliss. Chapter 5. Deodorize your gym bag like a boss. Let's be real, gym bags can get pretty ripe after a while. All that sweat and bacteria can turn your gym bag into a breeding ground for some seriously funky odors. But don't worry, your dryer sheet secret weapon is here to save the day. Just toss a couple of dryer sheets into your gym bag after each workout and voila! The dryer sheets will absorb moisture and neutralize odors, leaving your gym bag smelling fresh and clean. No more gagging when you open your gym bag. Chapter 6. Dust be gone. The dryer sheet method, dusting. It's the chore that never seems to end. But what if I told you that dryer sheets could make dusting faster, easier, and dare I say even a little bit enjoyable? It's true. The anti-static properties of dryer sheets not only attract dust like a magnet, but they also help prevent dust from resettling. Simply grab a dryer sheet and run it over your furniture, shelves, electronics, anything that tends to attract dust. The dryer sheet will pick up dust and leave behind a dust-repelling barrier. Plus, your house will smell amazing. Streaky mirrors and windows driving you crazy? Ditch the harsh chemicals and paper towels and grab your trusty dryer sheets. Dryer sheets are surprisingly effective at cleaning glass and mirrors without leaving behind those annoying streaks. The fibers in the dryer sheets act like tiny scrubbers, while the anti-static agents help repel dust and dirt. Just dampen a dryer sheet with a little bit of water and wipe down your windows and mirrors. You'll be amazed at how sparkling clean they'll be. Okay, let's be real, static cling is the worst. Your clothes sticking to you like glue, your hair standing on end, it's just not a good look. But before you reach for those expensive anti-static sprays, grab a dryer sheet. Remember those amazing anti-static properties we talked about? Well, they work wonders on clothes too. Just rub a dryer sheet over your clothes to neutralize static cling instantly. You can even toss a dryer sheet in with your laundry to prevent static cling from happening in the first place. No more embarrassing static cling moments, you're welcome. Book lovers, this one's for you. Over time, old books can develop a musty smell. But don't worry, you don't have to live with that musty book smell. Just place a dryer sheet between the pages of your book and leave it for a few days. The dryer sheet will absorb any unwanted odors, leaving your book smelling fresh and clean. Now you can enjoy your favorite classic novels without that old book smell. Alright guys, get ready for the most mind-blowing dryer sheet hack yet. This one is seriously next level. Are you ready? You can sharpen scissors with dryer sheets. I know what you're thinking. Ron, you've officially lost it this time. But hear me out. Those tough fibers in dryer sheets that help pick up dust and pet hair can also hone the blades of your scissors. Simply fold a dryer sheet in half and make several cuts through it with your scissors. The friction from the dryer sheet will sharpen the blades, making your scissors sharper than ever. Who knew dryer sheets were the ultimate sharpening tool? So there you have it, folks. 10 mind-blowing dryer sheet hacks that will change your life. Who knew these little laundry staples were so versatile? From freshening up your shoes and banishing pet hair to cleaning burnt pots and sharpening scissors, dryer sheets are the ultimate household hero. So ditch those expensive cleaning products and embrace the power of the mighty dryer sheet. And hey, if you enjoyed these awesome hacks, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another mind-blowing video. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep on hacking.